What a great day. Seattle Boat Show back in person this year. Lots of fun. So our future technicians, students, we go out, part of the boat club, through 3 times a year at least, field trips. Go out and see what's happening in the industry. So the cool thing about Seattle Show is Seattle's got gnarly traffic and parking is miserable, but you jump on that sounder train for $5 and it runs right down along the water. Just super cool view. We get to visit, talk about boats, to see what their interests are. There's a floating show, and the most important to me, the systems. Let's go out and see what's new in industry and what are boat owners spending their money on. That's Shill Shoal Marina right there, one of the biggest right in West Seattle and just north of the Ballard Locks. So we have good views, good times, food, and of course it's Seattle. Some of our students have never even been down or spent much time in Seattle. Shot of the locks, so right up through there is Lake Union, Lake Washington, our freshwater lakes that dump right into the Salish Sea. And once you hit this, you know that you are almost to downtown Seattle. Train does get there a couple hours before the boat show starts, so that's a great time to explore the market, have some coffee, and once again, we got some students thinking about buying boats and all the good things that are happening for building community and enjoying a day. The sun was out and just fabulous times. We started at the floating show in Bell Harbor, right next to just down the hill from the public market. Speaking of the public market, it's always fun. We didn't see them throwing any fish. It was early in the day, but Dungeness crab and crab legs and lobster tails and all sorts of, wait a second, did I see? I sure did. $100 a pound for king crab legs. That's crazy talk, but they are delicious.
Here it is, big Seattle Boat Show. Boats, more boats, sailboats, and look down there, that's rigging instructor Quinn, Northwest Rigging, selling some product. Doggy day at the boat show. Good looking, yeah.
And while down there, instructor Beemer had to do a little multitasking, a little free seminar for cruisers about selecting batteries for their boats. Love talking batteries.
Okay, here we are. Boom! Oh, so close. Skallywags, putt golfing. Almost as fun as buying a boat. Boom! Hole in one. That's it. Come down here, we got Jello shots for those hole in ones.
And you know you're a tourist in Seattle when you actually go and check out the gum wall. Disgusting. Used bubble gum. And then, end of day, hop back on the train. Didn't get a lot of swag this year, but back to Anacortes we go, and we'll be discussing all our findings in the next class. Thanks for watching.